Welcome to Pisco USA. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you're a returning viewer, we appreciate your continued support. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today's challenge comes from industrial manufacturing, picking up workpieces covered in oil or lubricants. The solution? Pisco's skid-proof vacuum cup. It provides a secure grip on wet surfaces, ensuring no slippage, even with olive oil. The setup includes Pisco's tubing, fittings, vacuum generator, and filters, ensuring seamless operation. Want to improve your automation? Contact our expert team today. Filmed inside the Pisco USA Vacuum Lab, located in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. We provide free vacuum testing for your applications. Click the link to learn more. Another automation challenge solved with Pisco's innovation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next demo.